Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 27th of September 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has reiterated the need for investor protections to ensure the crypto industry's survival. In a CNBC interview, he highlighted the market turmoil from 2022, citing the collapse of firms like FTX and Celsius. Gensler stressed that without trust and protection, the innovative potential of crypto can't be realized. He also emphasized that most cryptocurrencies should be classified as securities, except for Bitcoin, and urged platforms to register with the SEC. Bitcoin has surged past $65,000, buoyed by positive US jobs data and China's economic stimulus plans. The US labor market showed improvement, while China announced significant fiscal spending and interest rate cuts. This has led to a broader rally in equity markets, positively impacting Bitcoin. However, analysts warn of potential downward pressure if Bitcoin fails to maintain this level. SolvBTC has launched on the Avalanche blockchain, offering a decentralized Bitcoin reserve for the DeFi ecosystem. Users can earn returns on their Bitcoin holdings through various strategies. Avalanche is also expanding its ecosystem with partnerships and developer incentives, including a bounty program and the Avalanche 9000 upgrade. AminoChain has completed a $5 million seed funding round led by a 16Z crypto. The company is developing a Layer 2 blockchain protocol for decentralized healthcare applications. Their first application is a biosample marketplace, allowing patients to track and monetize their samples. BOXABL is revolutionizing home construction with its pre-built casita homes. The company has over 190,000 reservations and aims to address the affordable housing crisis. BOXABL is seeking $1 billion to expand production and has drawn inspiration from automotive manufacturing to streamline processes. Hyperliquid, a new decentralized trading protocol, is making waves with its high-performance Layer 1 blockchain. It offers a fully on-chain order book and gasless trading, aiming to replicate the user experience of centralized exchanges. Despite its promising features, Hyperliquid faces challenges related to decentralization and regulatory scrutiny. Joshua Lim discusses the SEC's approval of IBIT options, noting the potential impact on the crypto derivatives market. He highlights the significant trading volume on Deribit and suggests that IBIT options could lead to new opportunities and an altcoin boom. Prysm addresses the upcoming Pectra fork split, acknowledging past planning issues and proposing a more effective approach. They emphasize the need to expedite feature releases and address urgent issues like PeerDAS and blob count. Stacey Muir explores privacy challenges in Web3 adoption, highlighting inefficiencies in data handling. She reviews the state of Web3 gaming and promising airdrop programs, while also analyzing the landscape of Ethereum Layer 2 solutions. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights valuable. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.